gentlemen, boys and girls, you're all very welcome to Dublin Airport. For your continued comfort now, but especially your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft does come to a complete stop and the overhead seatbelt sign has been switched off, and only then is it safe for you to stand. Please remember to check the overhead bins and the seat pocket in front of you for any personal belongings that you may have brought on board, such as mobile phones, wallets or passports. And please do be very careful if you're opening the overhead bins. Items may have become displaced during the flight. This could fall out and cause injury to you or to another passenger. If your journey ends here in Dublin this afternoon, please follow the signs for arrivals. But if you are connecting onwards, please follow the green signs for flight connections. If you do not have a boarding card for your onward flight, please visit the Aer Lingus transfer desk. And if you are transiting to the US once you have passed through flight connections, please follow the signs for US pre-clearance, where you will clear US immigration and customs ahead of your onward flight. If you do have any questions, our uniformed ground staff will be only pleased to assist you. So finally, this afternoon, on behalf of Captain Malaga Curry, but especially the cabin crew team here on board, we'd like to thank you for flying with Aer Lingus today. We do hope you've enjoyed this flight with us. It was indeed our pleasure looking after you, and we look forward to welcoming you again many times in the future. Gormag Bakorja, Fui Tashel Aer Lingus to you. Tásirga, Quench Tatnuf, Aslan Thurib, Shop, Slán, Algas Balling to Live Galer. Good afternoon, thank you, and have a very safe onward journey from here.